What's going on, everybody? I'm told that there is news, but I saw the high of the day over there. I don't care about the news and the high of the day, whatever. Let me just pause and put my take profit levels, and I'll show you guys the result. Hello, I've just put my stop losses over there. As you guys might be well aware, one of the things that when there is news, the brokers, they increase the leverage, but nonetheless they increase the spreads. It's a real account. I'm sitting at 54,000. I don't trade news, but I saw an opportunity. And what am I going to do when I see an opportunity? The market has met its highest for the day on the USD CAD, and I'm told there is news. So what do? I enter my trades and I keep quiet. My take profit is set. Everything is set. So let's just let me just watch what happens. When the market has met its highest for the day or its lowest for the day, even if there is news, guys. That's why I don't trade fundamentals. So I don't trade fundamentals, and I'll never trade fundamentals. But then the market is giving me money, and I always eat. I live up to my expectation. Yeah. Busy telling me about news, fundamental trading, whatever it is that you guys are trading. I don't work with that, bro. The problem with a lot of people, you never listen. I'm trading the high of the day, the low of the day. The high of the day and the low of the day. And that's it. So let's see if news can affect my trade. Look at that. Look at that. 102,000. God bless. Yours truly signing out. See the profit? Look at that. When the market has met its highest for the day, that's it. I'm signing out, guys. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar.